I Ching 11. Tai, the Great Mountain, Harmony. This I Ching is symbolized by a great mountain that provides all that you need, with woods that open up to invite you in. Fresh spring waters run down the slope of the mountain to refresh you, and spring brings berries and fruits to nourish you. You will have all that you need now. The Chinese character for immortal and great sage is made up of two characters, one for human and one for mountain. A sage is a wise person who lives alone on a mountain, shunning politics and social cares. To be encouraged to go see such a person means it is time to put your life in a wider, more profound perspective. You may be too caught up in the material concerns and need to focus on the spiritual to recover your purpose in life. Things begin to turn around for the better this month, and there's a feeling of benevolence now. This is a time of peace, harmony, and blessings for all living things. There's an end to all feuds and wars, the energy is high, the way is clear, and the prospects for great success are outstanding. A deep chaos abides in nature, but humanity, by carefully responding to the rhythms and cycles of the times, can find peace in the natural world. By planting the right crops in the right place in the right season, the mindfulness of the farmer brings harmony to the natural world of plants, and in return, prosperity to his family. Similarly, business needs to adjust to the natural cycles of different seasons. Only through flexibility and constant adjusting can order and growth both be maintained. This is a time to get into alignment. The peace produces a time of flowering and prosperity. The wise person channels this positive energy to all areas of life, and in proper proportion, just as a farmer waters his or her fields and the orchards accurately, so as not too much, not too little, but be vigilant and discriminating. Peaceful conditions promote the growth of weeds just as well as flowers. The lesser ones are leaving now, and the great wiser ones have yet to come. There will be success and great fortune eventually.